Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to remove vocal from any song. When you say any song, that means any song you can remove the vocal. And good thing about it, like you just do it online. You don't need any software or application to do that. All you have to just do it online and you just can save it. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you're gonna open up the browser and you're gonna type vocal remover. Once you come over here, you're gonna click on the first link and then you're gonna come over here, browse my files. And you're gonna choose your song. You're going to remove the vocal. This is the song I'm gonna remove the vocal. You're just gonna open it up. It's uploading a file right now and it's processing. It won't take that long. Should be pretty fast, depends on your internet connection. Almost done. See, right over here, music, and the vocal is turned off. So let me just play it. And if you want, you can save it, and I'm not saving it, and if you wish, you can save it. Okay, it is going to be on MP3 format. So I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, smash the like button and please consider subscribing my channel. Until next time, stay fit and thanks for watching.